My first achievements at Otago showed me how I can make a difference and follow my purpose. Zalopalava, my name is Abigail Bennett and I am graduating with a Bachelor's in Medical Laboratory Science. My dad was diagnosed with cancer in 2013 when I was in primary school, and I think if he hadn't been diagnosed when he had been, we would have had a lot less time with him. And I think that's the gift that medical laboratory science can bring. I knew that I wanted to be a scientist, and I knew that I wanted to be a medical laboratory scientist, but I just didn't know that the career existed. And so when I found out that it was a program at Otago, I immediately knew that it was something that I wanted to pursue. I think pushing yourself and doing something that gets you out of your comfort zone, you'll look back on it and be so proud of yourself.